Assalamu alaikum my lovelies and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, I'm Zar. If you've been here, then hi again. But if you're new here, then please do hit the subscribe button down there below. I have been through this entire pot, so I know what I'm talking about. Okay, na? See? I've been through it. Number one, what is the product itself? So Glow Melt is basically, they call it a makeup melt and cleansing balm, which is exactly what it is. It's a balm. I'll insert a clip here where I show you the consistency of it. It is an oil-based balm, but it's solid. Upon first touch and at room temperature, it stays solid. And then when you scoop out a little bit, packaging pe hum abhi baat karte hain, but it comes with a spatula. You scoop out a little bit, and then when you warm it up in your hands, it takes a more, I wouldn't say oily consistency, but it becomes slightly less solid. And then upon contact with the skin, with the face, they say you can use it dry or wet. I prefer using it on slightly damp skin, so I'll wash my face, splash my face with water. I typically use this when I'm wearing makeup and not every day. Honestly, because this tub is so small. On a day where I am wearing makeup, I need double cleansing. Usse mascara bhi अच्छी तरह उतर आता है, काजल भी अच्छी तरह उतर आता है. I use waterproof kajal and often my mascaras, sometimes my mascaras are waterproof too. So double cleansing is definitely the way to go. Whether or not it should be this product specifically is what this video will be about. So the Glow Melt is going to melt your makeup. It's going to be the first step in cleaning your face, and it's going to melt the remnants of your makeup. It's going to start breaking up your makeup. And when you see, I'll insert a clip here where you see me using it. You'll see that upon contact with the skin, it basically starts to melt off all the makeup and everything starts disintegrating, and it gets all over my face, which is nice because it means moving around from where it has been stuck the whole day or all of evening, and it's basically doing its job. Then after the Glow Melt, I like to go ahead with my face halo or a regular face towel. If you don't have the face halo, a regular damp face towel is fine. A small washcloth works fine. They, by the way, provide you with a washcloth too, but for me, that washcloth is too flimsy. I like to have something with a bit of character so that it can take off my makeup and the Glow Melt itself. But then again, it's just personal preference. If you like the kapra that they give you with it, great, you do you boo. But for me, I'll go in with my face halo and take off my makeup and the Glow Melt before going in with my face wash. And then after the face wash, baki sare toner, jo bhi hota hai, toner, serums and all of that. If you're interested in that kind of info, I can make another video on that. But this video specifically focus on, like I've said, this product. So let's just talk about that. Acha. For me, double cleansing is a must in my routine. I don't want to be wearing a full face of makeup and then having to rub at it with a face wash. That's just not how I do things. This product specifically, मैंने जब जितने यूज़ किए ना अभी तक, तो आपके जो स्टेप 1 होता है या जो डबल क्लेंजिंग का जो ऑयल बेस्ड क्लेंजर वाला स्टेप होता है, that is either oily in consistency, which will be runny and liquid, or it's like this, which is a balm. I personally have always preferred a balm. उसके एक दो reasons हैं. एक ये कि when I like to really work it into my skin and then add a little bit of water and then work it over again. As you can see in the clip where I'm using it, I personally really like to rub it in and work with the product. और मुझे बस feeling ये आती है कि जैसे solid product के साथ you get a little bit more time to work with it. I don't know if that's true or not. I think it is a matter of personal preference. I personally have always preferred more solid cleansers, oil-based cleansers. उसके अलावा, thanks to the packaging and thanks to the fact that it's not a runny product, this is a product that you can easily travel with. You can just throw it in your bag without worrying that it'll run over everywhere or that it'll leak and then get in touch with your other products or whatever. That's just nasty, obviously. Not that we're traveling anywhere, but I still like to keep that into consideration because eventually तो hopefully हम travel करेंगे दोबारा से. खैर, that's a separate story. Now, as far as the performance of this specific product is concerned, wait for it. Chef's kiss. I love it. I absolutely love it. It does what it says. The product itself is amazing, like I said. However, one thing which has really bothered me, which I've never enjoyed, abhi bhi main in fact video banate hue tang ho rahi hu, is the smell. It has a very strong rose smell. Now, if you enjoy scented products and if you like the scent of roses, I think it's something you will enjoy. I, for one, really dislike any kind of smells, fragrances in any of my skincare products. And this for me counts as a skincare product. एक बात. Secondly, अगर वो ऐसी चीज़ है जो कि wash off होके चली जाए smell, I wouldn't mind it. The smell of this lingers on. It lingers on to the point where I've washed my face with it, and then with my face wash, and then I've done my skincare routine, and I've worn a mask and stepped outside, and the mask started smelling of it. Like I said, it's a matter of personal preference, but that is something I would remove from the product if I could. The smell. It leaves your skin clean. It removes your makeup. I, for one, have very sensitive skin and even more sensitive eyes. I wear my glasses regularly. I'm blind as a bat, and I have very sensitive eyes. So products which don't suit me, skincare products ho jaye ya cosmetics products ho jaye, they mess up with my eyes good. Alhamdulillah, this did not do that. This is the kind of product that removes my kajal. My kajal obviously goes straight in my eyes. Mascara bhi bilkul aankhon pe hota hai aur baki bhi sab kuch, obviously, you know. I have rubbed it over and over into my eyes properly andar jaake sara, and it has alhamdulillah never irritated my eyes. For that, it's a win. But before you go ahead and order it, based on my recommendations, watch this video till the end, because I'm probably not going to order it again, and I'll let you know why. Okay, so hear me out. Before you run and you order it, hear me out completely and watch the video till the end, please. I'll try to keep it short. Let's talk about the packaging. The packaging is a plastic container. एक ढक्कन है, उसके बाद एक स्पैचुला है जो कि काफ़ी कन्वीनियंट है. ज़ाहिर है आप उंगलियां ने मार के नहीं निकालना पड़ता. The spatula I enjoyed, and then there's this lid stopper kind of thing, या जो भी आप इसको कह लो. The bottle itself or the jar itself is also plastic. It comes with instructions, the brand name and everything. So obviously it was in a box and it came with a little cloth like I told you. So the packaging is effective. It does what it has to do. It gives you the product in one place. But it's all plastic, which is not environmentally friendly. Obviously, I, for one, prefer glass over plastic any time of the year, because we do need to become more environmentally friendly, environmentally conscious now. It is very small. So the weight of the product is 40 grams. It says so right here, so there's no point in speculating. It is 40 grams. If you ask me, हम price और packaging के इकट्ठे बात करते हैं. So it's 1200 rupees for 40 grams. If you ask me, then 40 grams will not last you, मेरे हिसाब के मुताबिक, it will not last you a month. This is the kind of product I personally like to use liberally. If I'm using a product to remove my makeup, इतना तो होना कि सारा मैं हटा सकूँ, उसमें सब कुछ आ जाता है, उसमें बेस मेकअप आ जाता है, आई मेकअप आ जाता है, सब कुछ. So because it's not an eye makeup remover, it's a makeup remover, right? तो उसमें मुझे लगता है कि इतना प्रोडक्ट तो हो ना कि आप आराम से एक महीना गुजार लो. इतना तकरीबन. See, I'm imagining it to be this much. That's something I felt throughout while I was using this product. I feel like it should come in a bigger packaging so that you can order it once a month and be befikar for the whole month, and you would know कि हाँ जी, I'm sorted. Now the problem with that is this. 30 rupees per gram का ये मतलब है कि अगर मैं ये कहती हूँ कि ये 100 grams होना चाहिए कम से कम, क्योंकि ये 40 grams है, और 3000 rupees पर मंथ एक मेकअप रिमूवर के लिए, जिसके बाद में आपने फेस वॉश भी यूज़ करना है, तो शायद आई डोंट नो इफ इट वुड सेल. एंड आई हैव अ फीलिंग दैट दे कुड टेल, व्हिच इज़ व्हाई दे मेड इट दिस टाइनी. माय रिकमेंडेशन टू द ब्रांड वुड बी टू ऑफर 2 साइजेस. और अगर आप 100 ग्राम्स ऑफर करते हैं तो उसको आप 3000 में ना करें, आप उसमें बल्क का वो जो डिस्काउंट होता है वो अप्लाई करके 2500 दे दें. I have a feeling you will make more customers like that, because for me this is just too flimsy, too little. It doesn't last me a month on a regular day. I personally don't wear makeup every day, and it still just went by like that. But if I were a working woman who had to go to office every day wearing a full face of makeup, and then who'd want to come back home and use a lovely Glow Melt to wash off her face, I would want a product to last me at least a month. You know? That's just my calculation. I could be off, but I don't think I am. As a makeup wearer, relatively regular makeup wearer, I don't think I'm off on those calculations. फिर भी प्राइस का मैं इसलिए लीव इन को देती हूँ क्योंकि इनका कंपेटिटर जिस तरह से मैं देखती हूँ, स्किन डीप का नरिशिंग ऑयल में भी इट्स कॉल्ड, जो कि उनका क्लेंजिंग ऑयल है, दैट इज फॉर 40 grams as well and it is for 1200 rupees too. So both these brands do have a competitive price. अब उसमें आप ये देख लो कि अगर एक ब्रांड सेल ऑफर करता है तो आप सेल पे उठा लो, चाहे आपको जिसका भी चाहिए. इनका मैंने सेल पे नहीं लिया था, इनका मैंने रेगुलर प्राइस में लिया था, तो मुझे 1200 ही पड़ा. आई डिड एंजॉय इट इनफ टू ऑर्डर अनदर वन. पर दूसरी दफ़ा जब मैंने ऑर्डर किया था तो इनकी ग्लोवर्सरी चल रही थी, जो इनकी 10th ईयर एनिवर्सरी थी. एंड आई लेट यू नो इन अ मिनट कि उस पर क्या हुआ, बिकॉज आई वॉज वेरी डिसअपॉइंटेड. मेरा ख्याल था कि ज़ाहिर है जो भी, आई विल गेट इन टू that tea I'll spill at the end of the video, so make sure you watch that part. Product placement. Now this product, jitna mujhe idea, you can only get on. You can either order on their website or you can order on Instagram. Now both times somehow I ended up ordering through their Instagram. The first time I let them know, they said theek hai, koi masla nahi. They took my order and within a few days the order was at my home. So February 12th Feb को मैंने पहला order किया था, 13th Feb को ये कंफर्म हुआ था, और उसके बाद फिर 1st April को मैं दोबारा से ऑर्डर कर रही. अब 1st April को मैंने इनको मैसेज किया एंड मैंने कहा I'd like to order another glow melt. ऊपर मैं ऑलरेडी अपनी डिटेल्स दे चुकी हूँ बाय द वे, ठीक है. They said sure, your order is confirmed. उसके बाद अब ये ऑर्डर 1st April को हुआ, उसके बाद 2nd, 3rd, 4th, 5th तक मैंने वेट किया. फिर 5th को मैंने इनको मैसेज किया, मैंने कहा I placed an order 5 days back. Has it been dispatched yet? So then they told me, hello, delivery takes up to 5 to 7 working days. You will soon receive it. I said, okay, perfect, inshallah. Huggies, juppies, puppies, सब कुछ हो गया. अच्छा, अब ये मैंने 5th April को पूछा था ना, 5th April को पूछा, इन्होंने कहा 5 to 7 days आप वेट करें. फिर मैंने कहा चलें ठीक है, सही हो गया. फिर मैंने 15th April को मैसेज किया और मैंने कहा so I placed an order 15 days ago and still haven't received. अच्छा, so I placed an order and then they said, can you share your order number? Now they never gave me an order number, remember? I never got an order number. I placed an order here on Instagram and then I sent them a picture of the conversation. Okay? Then I messaged here again on 5th April and was told to wait. Here we are another 10 days later. Now I was starting to get a bit worked up and a bit disgruntled. Then they told me, so sorry for keeping you waiting. Let me check with the delivery team and get back to you ASAP. Hey, our team will deliver you your parcel by, sorry, new to this, your parcel by Saturday. I said, okay, thank you. Looking forward. अब जो वो Saturday था जिस पे मुझे अपना order receive होना था, when they promised me after checking with the delivery team, उस Saturday को मुझे एक phone call आई 021 के नंबर से, और वो नंबर था, वो कॉल थी कोरियर सर्विस. अब कोरियर सर्विस वाले हजरत ने मुझसे ये पूछा कि मेरा एड्रेस कंफर्म किया और उसके बाद कहा जी आप कराची में रहती हैं या लाहौर में रहती हैं? तो मैंने कहा जी मैं तो लाहौर में रहती हूँ. अब बाय द वे ये इस ब्रांड का दूसरा ऑर्डर था मेरे साथ. दे ऑलरेडी डिस्पैच्ड माई ऑर्डर वंस, आई रिसीव्ड इट एंड आई हैड बीन इन टच विद देम. खैर चलो मिसअंडरस्टैंडिंग हो गई. मैंने कहा जी वो मैं तो लाहौर में रहती हूँ, मैं तो कराची में नहीं रहती. मैंने कहा ये कराची पहुँच गया मेरा ऑर्डर. तो मुझे कहने लगी जी ये कराची पहुंच गया. तो कहते हैं आपको मैम ये 1-2 दिनों तक मिल जाएगा. आई वाज लाइक ओके फाइन. एंड देन आई नेवर गॉट माय ऑर्डर. आई एम स्टिल वेटिंग फॉर इट. द ऑर्डर वाज प्लेस्ड ऑन 1st of April एंड टुडे इज 17th May. It's been a month and a half and then some days. This is the kind of behavior they showed. So based on that behavior alone, I'm disgruntled. And I don't want to order from them again, despite the fact that I've told you I love the product. I really do. And I'm all for supporting Pakistani brands. If you follow me on Instagram, you know that. If you follow me here, you'll find that out because यहाँ पे जैसे मैं बात करूँगी आपको अंदाजा होगा. I'm all for supporting local brands and I'm all for supporting women-led businesses. This is a woman-led business by what I understand. And I really want to go out and beyond to support women. But if you're an online-based business only, then make yourself available to your customers. And if a customer is reaching out to you twice, thrice respectfully, then please cater to them. Because now I'm disappointed. और मेरे लिए ज़्यादा बेहतर क्या रहा है, स्किन डीप की सेल लगी है तो मैंने 1000 रुपये का उनको ऑर्डर किया, होता उनका 1200 का है, लेकिन सेल पे, रमज़ान सेल पे मुझे आई थिंक 1000 का पड़ा है, इफ़ आई एम नॉट रॉन्ग, जो उनका नरिशिंग ऑयल है, which by the way the review for which will come up right after this, because आजकल मैं वो यूज़ कर रही हूँ. और so yeah, if you don't deliver on time, despite loving your products, despite loving what you claim to stand for, I will not come back to you as a customer, and that's just how it is. So if you find this video helpful and you would like to order the product, because I'm telling you the product is amazing, but if you do want to order it, keep in mind ये disappointment होने के chances हैं. मेरे साथ हुई है, मैं ये बिल्कुल नहीं कह रही, and I don't want to defame the brand, I don't want to badmouth them, but I'm not going to sit here and just talk about good things only when I've clearly experienced something not so good from this brand, despite reaching out to them constantly. I would have loved to sit here and tell you I'm halfway through my second tub and I love this product, but unfortunately I never got my second tub, so I can't say that to you. You know, and but otherwise the product amazing, the brand itself looks very beautiful and whatnot, but my one experience with them was great. My second experience with them was utna hi thakkad, because I don't think as a customer I should have to run after a brand so that they would fulfill my order and deliver it to me. I don't think it's fair. और ये भी बात नहीं है कि I can expect them or you people or anybody to say कि उनके पास उनकी वेबसाइट है तो आप वेबसाइट से ऑर्डर करते हैं, and I understand this, but they claim to be open to both ways ना. वो मुझे DM पे कह सकते थे ना कि नहीं प्लीज़ आप वेबसाइट पे ऑर्डर प्लेस करें. They told me, they said the order has been confirmed. अब मुझे अगर एक ब्रांड कह देगा the order has been confirmed, फिर मैं नहीं चेक करूँगी कि मुझे ऑर्डर नंबर मिला है या नहीं. फिर भी जब when I reached out to them to tell them that I hadn't received my order 15 days later, 15 days after I had placed my order, they asked me what the order number was, and I told them that I had never gotten an order number. तब भी उन्होंने मुझे ऑर्डर नंबर नहीं दिया, तब भी उन्होंने मुझे एक डेडलाइन दी जिसको मैंने माना. आई थॉट चलो ठीक है, सही है. इफ दे आर टेलिंग मी that there's a deadline that they will fulfill, then I was expecting them to do that, but then they didn't deliver onto that either. अब मुझे नहीं पता कोरियर तक पहुंचा, मुझे तो कोरियर से फोन आया, that's not my headache कि गलत जगह पहुंचा कि क्या हुआ. I'm just sitting here waiting for my parcel which never came. So yeah, take that for what it is. I hope the review was helpful to you. I hope you enjoyed the clip where I'm making a complete mess on my face in my badly lit bathroom. But I like to keep it real for you, you know that. We're nothing if not real here. So I'll show you everything that's involved in the process of reviewing a product. And I hope that this review was helpful to you. If it was, if you enjoyed it, if you found it entertaining, I don't know, informative, then please do give this video a thumbs up. Do like this video, give it a thumbs up for me, share it, and do subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you so much for hanging out with me, and I hope to see you around even more. Take care of yourselves and the people around yourselves. Stay safe. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye. Thank you for watching. I need my glow melt, Selena. I really do.